Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Hope you have learned the previous unit and you have enjoyed the unit, right? So data handling, we have seen the different types of graph. Hope you understood. As I said, you practiced, right? Good. So next unit we are going to see is this is also simple one, and using the pictures and this and that we will find the answer. So this is also somewhat fun with the maths like. Yeah, so the chapter number 13, symmetry, patterns, nets and maps. So symmetry and patterns we have learned, at least we know what is the topic. So nets and maps which we are going to learn new. So let's get into the topic. First let's do collect the recall. So symmetrical line will be drawn in a picture and divide it into two. So it may be a vertical or horizontal. So if the reflection or the opposite side is same like the each other, then it is symmetry. If not, it is non-symmetry. Like if you see the picture is cut vertically and see the both sides looks same, right? Both the half is looks like the same. So it's a symmetrical. And the same like it's cutted in horizontal. If you see the picture on the right and left side, both looks like same, so that is also symmetrical. If different, it is not a symmetrical. So the line vertically symmetry line, this is very horizontally symmetrical line. So we can cut it vertical, horizontal or any way. So if you see the A, first one is when it kept in a mirror, it should reflect the same. If the opposite side is like a mirror picture, like when you keep in the mirror, it will reflect the same, right? So same like that, if it reflected, then it is symmetry. If not, it is a non-symmetry. If you see the first center one, there's a diamond shape, it's cut in a horizontal symmetry. So when it's cut with the horizontal symmetrical line, if you see the upper and down, both have different same shape. Maybe it's, both are triangle, but if you see the height of the triangle of the above one and the below one, obviously it differs, right? So it's a non-symmetry. Example for non-symmetry. The final one, if you cut it vertically, obviously it will give the same picture. Both the sides having the same shape, same size. Everything looks the same. Like if you keep a mirror, it will reflect the same. It's like a reflection. So it's a symmetry. Okay, this is how we will find the picture whether it is symmetry. This is a not symmetry, right? Because above and below having different size. If you see both the sides are same, then it is symmetry. I think you have got some idea. Yes. So it may be one symmetry line we can divide with one symmetry line. Like T and D when it is divided with the one symmetry line. So second one, many symmetry. We can divide it as many as symmetrical line which will give same side, like everything is a symmetry. No symmetry of line. No symmetry of line means we can't find a symmetry in the picture. So when the picture is like that, then we call it as a non-symmetry. So it may be one symmetrical line or many symmetrical line or no symmetrical line. So patterns. What is patterns? Patterns is nothing but it follows some same or repeated form. So based on the observation, we have to continue the following. Like if you see the yellow and the red, it is like rotating to your clockwise direction. The line is rotating. The same like N also rotates. If you see the triangle is the same, but the number of dots, shape of the dots is changing their position. So based on the observation, we will continue it. So pattern is nothing but everything follows the same process So we have to find the process and apply the same to the following. Okay, this is what pattern. Half and quarter turns. Half and quarter turns. So here half turn means the picture will be turned half, like upside down. It will be turned upside down. It's called half turn. Quarter turn is like from a clock 12 to 3. So it will only turn for the half of the half. Okay, it will not like half of the half. So 1 by 4 of the circle. The white part is 1 by 4. That is the half, one quarter turn. Okay, here the both pink and white we can consider both as a half turn. But here the white part is there, right? In the second picture, white part, that is the quarter turn. Okay. So the pink color one is 3/4, 3 times of quarter. So 1 quarter means only the white part. So this is how it will turn. If you see the first one, triangle is given. If it is a 1 by 4 turn means quarter turn. Okay, quarter turn means it will turn only quarter. Like the peak in the top, when it turns quarter, it goes for the right. When it's half means it is a complete half. So the triangle will face the down. For a square, everything is the same side, so same picture. However it turns, it looks like a square itself. So for rectangle turns quarter, then half. So here the thing is, we have to be clear with whether the picture is turned quarter or turned half. So that is also one of the observation for patterns. Yes, now we are going to apply the turns of half or quarter and the patterns together. Let's apply it. So it is smiley. It is turning to the clockwise direction. Okay, the smiley faces turning clockwise direction. So straight, then your left, then up, then it will come to your right. Very good. So straight, left, up, right, and again it will come for the straight position. Okay, this is how we have to observe what pattern it follows, and we have to apply the same for the following. So here three arrows are there. So we will consider the center arrow which is faced to the up, then it will come to your right, then go down, then your left. Okay, so just imagine it is in straight, your right, down, and your left, and again it goes for the straight position where it started. It will go for the straight position. Next one, heart then. So which is used for quarter turn. So it is in straight, then the sharp arc comes your right, then up. So it is a anti-clockwise direction. Down to right, then up, then it will come to your left and to the right. Okay, if you observe it clearly, within 2 or 3 pictures, we can find what turn it is. Is it your right, like quarter turn or a half turn? Whether it is turning right or left, like that, we have to observe. Next one, so the consider as your hands, 2 hands to the right and left, then it goes up and down, then right and left, then up and down, then right and left, up and down, right and left, up and down, again right and left. So it is a full complete half turn. Okay, it's a half turn. Next one is a symbol is turning to your rightwards, and it follows a quarter turn. Okay, so here it is in the slight landing of your left, and then comes for straight, and then slightly to your right, then it will be half, then it will be slightly to your left. So it is a turning like a clockwise direction, and it's turning in the quarter turn. Okay, so here the symbol is in faced your right, then up, then left. The next will be the final will go for the final place, right? So next the center one is missing. So right, up, left, then down. Yes, so it will be down. It is in the half turn. Okay, it is in a half turn.